Hello, I welcome you all to ee.grafix. So I will add my shapes. Activate the color. Yeah, that's it. Something like this. Then I reduce the opacity. Something like this. Then I stretch it. Copy. Then another copy. Yeah, something like this. Yeah. So let's reduce the opacity a bit. Let's reduce it. Something like this. I think this okay. This okay. Uh, oh so something like this. This okay. Oh, please, as we design, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you just joined, kindly click on the subscribe button, the red button, then click on the bell so that you'll be notified of any video that I upload. Thank you. I am pleading with you, never forget. Yeah. So this is it. Like this. Then we choose the font. I'm using Blogger Sandboard. That's my favorite font. Then we choose a color, white. White is not going. Yeah, this is cool. You let's check what you use for the other one. Yeah, that's that's cool. This is cool. This is cool. So then we copy it. Yeah. Yep. So let's reduce the size of this a bit. Then okay. Please, if you've not subscribed, I'm begging you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget the bell. Kindly click on the bell. So please, a little space. This is good. This isn't bad. Okay. Then the day we copy this. Copy. Yep. Then we add the the. Yep. You are good to go. Sure. That's it. Let's add some size to it so that at least it will get some. Not with it. Yeah. So we send this backward. Send it back. Back. This one can still be here, but send this one back. Yeah. So we create. Copy this one. Copy. Let's change the color to black. Black is cool. Then make sure it fits inside. Yeah. Then we come here. Yeah. Then we give it a stroke. We reduce the stroke to say 1. Then change the color of the stroke. Color of the stroke. Come here. Then we copy this one to we duplicate it. Then we change the color to black. That's repetitive as the other one. You make sure it fits inside to the extent that nobody will see. yeah, something like this. Then you go to color, you change the color to none. Then you give it a stroke with the same blue color. Then you do the opacity. Opacity. Now, what else did you do to the other one? Uh, Let me see what you did to this one so that I will not miss. Yeah, I think that's all. Okay, this one was in lowercase, not uppercase. Okay, so yeah, let me see what will happen. Happy. Choose the one that is okay. So you're gonna change everything. So you no problem, no problem. Oh, but then change this one to the yep. Then come here, change this one to but yep. Then this one the yeah. So that's all. Then we give this one a little size. Then we space it out. Yeah, something like this. Then we come here. We give this one to okay to make everything easier. Let's delete this one. Then duplicate this again. Okay, so let me arrange this one well. Give it a little side. Okay, this is cool. So what's the size of this one? This one is 118. So you check this one. This one is to need to increase it to 118. Yeah. Then you make sure then you change the color to black. You make sure it fits inside. It fits inside. Yeah. Then you change the color of the black one. Change it to nail. Yeah. Then you give it a stroke, the blue color. You reduce it to one. That's all. Yeah. Is this not nice? Yeah. So here we go. What else? So with those things around it, let's import some shapes. Yeah, something like this. I designed this thing a long ago, I think a year ago. So I don't have some of the elements still with me. Yeah. Please, I'm still reminding you to subscribe to the channel. Still reminding you to subscribe to the channel. This is what keeps us going. As I'm giving you this value, you need to also give me something. Yeah. Yep. So here we go, test. Then add some plus sign. Some plus sign. I think I used something from yeah. I think this is what I used the other time, but not a circle. This one. This. I reduce the size, then I give it a color. Would white work? No. This is good. Plus. Ish. I'm not looking for that thing, man. Then you give it some multiplication. Now you're going to work with multiplication. Multiplication. The other side. Yeah, one here, one on the other side. Yeah. Then I think we are almost done. We are almost there. Yeah, guys, it's easy. Yeah, graphic design with your phone, it's easy. It's not as difficult as others make it seem. It's easy, man. Then the name of the person. This we're going to use a triangle. Let me this one. Triangle shape. Though this wasn't the initial shape I used, but let's use something new for this one. It's not necessarily using what I used for the other one. I'm still reminding you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educative and creative content. Yep. Okay, let's do it this way. Yeah. So I'm going to use something like this. And I'm going to use the same font I used for this white types. How do you call it? I said blogger sounds bold. Yeah. So with the same color. I'm lazy, so I don't like starting with afresh. I always copy. Yeah. So follow at ee.grafix. Yep. I will do the size. This one will be in some. I'm going to give it a background. So the background will be in this color, so that the text will be in white. White. Yeah. Follow me on all platforms: Instagram, Facebook. I'm still ee.grafix. Twitter, ee_graphics. Yep. Hola, you're done. That's all, man. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.